Imagine waking up tomorrow, opening your email and seeing a message that says, open quote, your position has been eliminated, close quote, no warning, no mistake, no human even wrote it. It was written by software. Right now, in the United States, millions of people are losing their jobs, not to other humans, but to artificial intelligence, and most of them don't even know it yet. This is Insight Loop, and today we reveal how AI is silently taking over America's workforce. For most of human history, machines replaced muscle, but now machines are replacing the mind. Artificial intelligence is not coming for factory workers first. It is coming for office workers, for people with degrees, for people with experience, for people who thought they were safe. From New York to California, from banks to tech companies, from law firms to hospitals, AI is quietly becoming the most powerful employee on earth. And the scariest part? It never sleeps. It never complains. It never asks for a raise. Every major shift in history had warning signs. The Industrial Revolution replaced farmers. The computer revolution replaced typists. The internet replaced physical stores. But this shift is different. AI does not replace one job at a time. It replaces entire departments. Companies no longer need large customer service teams, big marketing departments, expensive research teams, even junior software developers. AI does all of it, and it does it faster. In the United States, companies are under pressure, rising wages, high taxes, inflation, competition. AI gives them a solution: cut humans, keep profits. Let's talk about reality. Google uses AI to write code. Amazon uses AI to manage workers. Banks use AI to approve loans. Law firms use AI to review documents. Hospitals use AI to analyze medical scans. Every time an AI does a task, a human is no longer needed. And corporations are quietly reducing staff. They don't call it layoffs. They call it efficiency. Three things collided at the same time. AI became powerful. Cloud computing became cheap. Companies became greedy. That created a perfect storm. Now AI can write articles, design logos, create videos, analyze finances, chat with customers, predict trends. And it does all of it for less than $100 a month. So ask yourself, why would a company pay a human $6,000 a month when a machine can do the same job for $99? The middle class was built on jobs. Engineers, designers, writers, analysts, accountants. These were safe careers. Not anymore. AI doesn't just replace low-skilled workers. It replaces thinking. And when thinking is automated, the middle class collapses. Less jobs, less income, less spending, economic crisis. This is already happening. The future will have only two types of people: people who control AI, people who are controlled by it. Those who understand AI will survive. Those who ignore it will struggle. This is not science fiction. This is happening now. You don't need to become a programmer, but you must. Understand technology. Learn how AI works. Adapt, because the worst thing in the AI age is being replaceable. The AI revolution is not coming. It is already here. And the question is not, will AI replace jobs? The question is, will you be ready when it does? This is Insight Loop, where we explain how the future is really being built.